Ekaterina Chelova here, and today we talk about another part of Neurographica, the neurographing process. In Neurographica, we use shapes to communicate to our brain simply and directly. And therefore, every shape also needs to be harmonized. Every shape also needs to be made bionic so that the brain accepts it as a safe information. So as we know, every neurographical line is bionic, right? Which means natural. How do we make a shape natural? Let's take a square, for example. To make it bionic, we take neurographical line and we put it on top of the lines of the shape that we have created. Remember, neurographical line is not random. It goes where we do not expect to see it. And if we want to go above the line, we take the pen different direction. If we want to go below the line, again we try to do a different movement. In this particular case, it's basically up or down the line. In this process, again, the straight line is crossed by the bionic neurographic line, and we get these gaps. Again, triangles are being created, conflicts are being created. So we have to employ the conjoining process that we have learned in the previous class to harmonize this even further. If the gaps that are formed are too small to round up, it's okay to just fill it up with a color. If it is big enough, just make sure that you round up the corners nicely. And that's all. Another thing to notice here is that when the lines cross, they still do create the conflict, right? You can see triangle here, you can see triangle, two of them here, correct? So we harmonize that also. We should not forget to complete the full process. Again, it's totally okay if the shape becomes thick, no problem at all. We smoothen out the line, smoothen out all the conflicts that might have formed during the process of neurographing the shape. And here we go. This shape now is neurographed, it is bionic, and it is safely going to be understood by our brain as a safe piece of the puzzle we are trying to solve. If we do it with the circle, we take neurographical line, we put it around the circle. Again, we are going to complete the conjoining process. Just like that. Not to worry, the shape is still understood by our brain as the circle, only in a more natural bionic way. That our brain perceives as a safe piece of information. So there you go. Do make sure you practice the neurographing process as well. as it is important for our drawings. Have a very good day.